Yeah, man. Uptown Inc., yeah. I mean, knocking that pause one. JC, I mean, the collection. It's on the wall. Nice. The L. Production. You know what it is, man. Got the homie Tim right here. Tim, what up with it, man? Shout out to the Uptown Inc. World Right Quick, Ill Entertainment, Kicking Productions.
Fresh inked up.
Fresh inked up. What you just get done, man?
Yo, just got the little rosary right here.
Okay, got the little. Okay, Dice went in and added the little rosary.
Shit.
And then
want to mark my other girl right there?
Girl right here. She wanted to get tatted. His bitch wanted to get tatted, so he brought her in, and then I tatted up on his bitch's arm. So I tatted him, and then his bitch. Uptown Inc. I mean, I already know what it is. Fuck all you niggas hating. Fuck all you niggas hating.